The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is about to change everything, but before I reveal the crazy new feature that Google has been hiding, let me ask you this. What if your next phone could think faster than you, predict what you need before you even touch it, and give you battery life that feels almost unreal? Well, stay with me because the Pixel 11 Pro XL might be the smartest phone we've ever seen. Google is stepping into 2025 with a bold vision, powered by the new Tensor G5 chip built on a 3nm architecture, giving you lightning-fast performance, cooler temperatures, and next-level AI capabilities that make the phone feel alive. The moment you pick it up, the 6.9-inch Quad HD plus LTPO AMOLED display pulls you in with its ultra-smooth 1 to 144 Hz refresh rate, extra bright outdoor visibility, and HDR10+ support, making every moment, from gaming to streaming, feel incredibly immersive. But hold on, the real game changer is Google's upgraded AI, from Smart Scene Detection to Live Translate 4.0, and even a new on-device AI assistant that can summarize videos, rewrite messages, remove objects from photos in real time, and even clean up background noise live during calls. And yes, Google is bringing something insane, the new Dream Fusion camera mode, which uses AI to enhance details before you even press the shutter button. That means the 200MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide, and 48MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom don't just capture moments, they recreate them with mind-blowing clarity. Low-light performance? Completely redesigned. Night Sight now processes images almost instantly, giving you bright, noise-free photos even in near darkness. Video fans will love the new 8K recording with AI stabilization, which looks so smooth it almost feels like you're using a gimbal. Battery is another major upgrade. The Pixel 11 Pro XL packs a 5,500 mAh cell with 80W fast charging and 45W wireless charging, promising nearly 2 days of real-world usage thanks to Google's new power-saving adaptive AI model that tracks your habits and reduces background activity at exactly the right time. Performance-wise, the phone runs Android 16 with One UI, level smoothness, but with that pure Google feel. Minimal, clean, and insanely optimized. The animations are crisp, the multitasking is effortless, and the phone feels like it always understands what you want to do next. And yes, mark this. Google is planning to unveil the Pixel 11 Pro XL in October 2025, with pre-orders expected to open the same week. But here's the part one didn't want to spoil too early. Google is rumored to introduce a completely new feature at launch called Adaptive Hologram Notifications, where the phone projects a floating 3D notification animation above the screen when it's on a flat surface. Imagine getting messages, reminders, or even a mini Google Assistant floating in midair. Crazy, right? And trust me, there's one more surprise. Google might secretly include an AI Wallpaper Generator 2.0 that creates dynamic wallpapers based on your mood, your location, and even the weather, something no other brand has nailed yet. So if you're thinking about upgrading your phone this year, the Pixel 11 Pro XL might be the biggest tech jump you've seen in years. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned because the next video will reveal a hidden feature that Google hasn't officially confirmed yet, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.